The story starts from Ivory the Coast and Ghana, where this cocoa tree is born, which is known as Theobroma cacao. This tree gives fruit plant which is known as cocoa, and in those cocoa there are cocoa beans. These beans then travel to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory in Munich and Belgium, and the cocoa beans in the factory is mixed with sugar because cocoa beans are bitter, and if it's a milk based chocolate, milk is mixed. All this to make cocoa butter, which is then mixed with lecithin and then some flavors for variety, and finally all of these makes a universally consumed and still a reputable product, expensive cocoa chocolate, which is one of the most common and still loved gift of all time. Also, this is the first gift that anyone ever receives or anyone ever gives. But why are we even discussing chocolates? Because today is chocolate day. Even this day doesn't have any significant history, any significant cultural impact or any tradition related to it, and this is just a sales narrative created by the companies to sell their product more. Let's talk in numbers now. The total chocolate market globally is $130 billion, which comes to approx rupees 10 lakh crore, dominated by just few players, hence a good chance of entry here. And during the Valentine week, the sale of chocolate, especially during the chocolate day, increases 40% because most of the people prefers chocolates over flowers.